Today we are going to build a fun number guessing game in Python using a while loop. So grab your Python editor and let's get started. First we will import the random module which we need to pick a random number. So I'll type here import random at the top. Next we will create a variable called secret number and we will assign it a random integer value using random.randint function, and this value will be between 1 to 10. We will then create another variable called guess to store the guessed value, and initially we will assign it none. None means absence of value. We will also keep a track of the number of attempts. So let's create an attempts variable with value 0. Next, we will display a message guess the number between 1 and 10. So it can be any value between 1 and 10. After this, we will create a while loop. So we will continue running the loop while the secret number is not equal to guess. That means the loop will continue running until the user guesses correctly. Now to get the value entered by the user, we will type here guess equal to input, enter your guess, and the user will enter the value and it will be converted into an integer value to match it with the secret number. We will also keep track of the attempts made by the user. So as soon as user enters a value, the count of attempts will be increased by 1. So attempts equal to attempts plus 1. Now we will check different conditions. So if the guessed number is greater than the secret number, then we will print a message too high, and this is a hint for the user. Elif guess is less than the secret number. If the value entered is less than the secret number, then we will display too low, and otherwise if both the values are equal, then we will print correct. You guessed the number in, and let's convert this to an F string so that we can include the count of attempts made. So in attempts, and here we type attempts. So attempts written inside curly brackets will give us the count which we are getting from here, and attempts is the word of the sentence. So this is the difference between the two attempts here. Now let's run the code. So here we get the message guess the number between 1 and 10. Let's suppose I guess here 3. Oh, I get the correct answer within the first attempt only. Let's change it and run it again. So now I entered value 5 and I got this hint too low. That means I need to enter a bigger value. So let's go for 6. It's again too low. 7, too low. 8, and this time it's correct. You guessed the number in 4 attempts. Now let's rerun it and enter a character. So this time our program crashed. So to prevent any crashes, let's put this code inside the while loop inside a try except block. And then at the end, I will go for except value error. And here we will display a message invalid input. Please enter a number. So this message will be displayed in case the user enters any invalid value. So let's suppose if I enter a character now, so I have entered A, so I got this message invalid input, please enter a number. So until I enter a number, I will keep on getting the same message. And let's guess the number now. So I go for 6, it's too high. 4, again too high. 2, too high, so the number is 1. And note that only the attempts made for valid inputs is counted here. So everyone, we have created a really fun and interactive number guessing game. Now here is a challenge for you. Set a limit of only 3 guesses. If the user fails in 3 attempts, then print game over and reveal the correct number. Try it now and post your solutions in the comment section below. If this helped, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to Programming Horizons for more upcoming tutorials. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy coding!